Yabona ayikho isituation uNkulunkulu angakufaka kuyona kanti akakufundisile how to survive kuleyo situation. uJesu ukhuluma nabafundi bakhe usezobethelwa. He's actually preparing them but they are not sure. Baba confused ukuthi ukhuluma ngani manje lo muntu lona. Uthi uJesu kuzoba isikhashana laphana kuJohn chapter 16. Okay, he tells them ku chapter 15 ukuthi ubashiya nomoya engcwele, but ku chapter 16 he tells them ukuthi kuzoba isikhashana ningangiboni. Bear in mind that he's telling them ukuthi yibona bangeke bambone for that period of time, for that short period of time. Bese kuphinde kube isikhashana ebese niyangibona ne. Mind you, ku chapter 15 he told them ukuthi angimshiyi not mfethu. Ayikho isituation uNkulunkulu angakufaka kuyona engakuprepayanga. Ungenza ukuthi wena awumzwanga ukuthi uthini, kodwa ayikho isituation ongathi uNkulunkulu avume ngawe kuyo kanti akakufundisanga ngayo ukuthi usurvive kanjani. Okay, verse 33, the last verse of this chapter, he tells them ukuthi ubafundise zonke lezi zinto so that they will have peace in him. Meaning in this short period of time, in this short period of time where you feel like I'm awfully quiet, in this short period of time where there's chaos and izwe lonke litshela ukuthi lingibethele ngifile angeke ngisavuka, you must have peace that it is only for this short period of time whereby you cannot see me. It is only for this short period of time that you cannot see the work that I'm doing behind the scene. It is only for this, but you must have peace because I have told you these things in order to prepare you for this moment that you are facing. It is awfully quiet, but you must have peace that